South Korea on ETA.
I'm happy to announce that countries around the world had already been enjoying a visa-free regime in Kenya. So right now, His Excellency has directed that all countries around the world, including Africa, Asia, America, Australia, and all over the world, are able to come in visa-free. In terms of revenue, I think we are in a better position with ETA than we were with e-visa. We are putting all security measures to ensure that we are able to screen all passengers coming to Kenya, and that this is an improvement of the e-visa system, and that with ETA now, everybody coming to Kenya, we're able to get their information, we're able to cross-check whether they are on the watch list, and those people who are on the watch list are denied boarding from their countries of departure. So right now, we have a more robust, more secure, more predictable system. That is an improvement of the previous system.
Security audit that was carried out in the year 2022, where Kenya performed very well. We could have performed much better if this was already active by then. So as KCA, we ensure that Kenya is complying with the standards of the Chicago Convention, being a signatory to the Chicago Convention, the International Civil Aviation Organization, its standards and recommended practices.
And this country is going to another level of digitization, whereby application for the ETA is going to be easier and faster, and is now open country for the world to come in.
Apply at once for my family, all my family members. Before that, I need to apply separately, but now it's very easier because I can apply at once, so I can save my time and everything, and it's very easy to tell, and all the processes are easy to understand, so it was very comfortable and pleasure experience for me.